Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on Moto G56. Let's begin. First we should even check if we have our auto brightness option enabled in the first place. We can easily do that by scrolling down and expanding our control center. As you can see here we have our brightness bar. So now we can try to search for auto brightness option, though it is possible that we don't really have it here. If that's the case, we can go to pencil icon and you can try to search for one function like this. So we can keep scrolling until we'll see. Well, this is screen dimmer. Screen dimmer is a thing that automatically dims your screen, and it might want to fight with your auto brightness issue. So if you encounter any kind of issues, you want to make sure that your screen dimmer is off. But as you can see, we don't really have a shortcut for auto brightness, or I could be just clinically blind. But it doesn't matter because we can always get into the setting by going to settings, then display, and here we have an option for adaptive brightness. As you can see, currently it is disabled, meaning that auto brightness will not work. So if we want it to work, we can simply enable it, and now our adaptive brightness increased our brightness level. And if we would lower the brightness, we will see that it still is working, but currently it will freeze our brightness level back. So we can simply turn it off and once again, and it still isn't working. So you want to make sure that you probably don't want to change manually your brightness level, because the adaptive brightness will work automatically. And even if your adaptive brightness function is working and you simply don't like how it works, or you think it works wrong, a very easy way for you to fix that is to simply turn off the phone. I know it's pretty basic, but the function of auto brightness relies mostly on the sensors in your phone. So if you restart those sensors, it might be working again. So we can reset our phone by pressing and holding power button, but by default power button will now activate some sort of Google Assistant, which is unfortunate. Instead we want to press and hold our power button at volume up, I believe, or volume down, and now we simply hit restart, and now our phone restarts. So everything restarts, including the sensors that are responsible for auto brightness. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.